This is a quick look at what's making weather headlines across the nation on this Saturday. Heat is building in the central U.S. Number of heat advisories are in effect across the area today. Plus, we have monsoonal moisture continuing to impact the desert Southwest and a few storms that'll be firing off this afternoon in parts of the Midwest. But we'll begin with the hot weather impacting parts of the mid-Mississippi River Valley, as well as some hot weather in portions of northern California. And of course, actually in many locations across the nation, we're dealing with some of this mid-July summertime heat. So of course that comes as no surprise this time of the year. But heat indices in these areas shaded in orange here are going to be up into that triple-digit range, even as high as 110 degrees. So certainly feeling uncomfortable in places like St. Louis today, down into portions of eastern Tennessee, central Arkansas, even down toward Mississippi, where we're dealing with some hot and humid conditions. The peak heat indices across the nation today look like this: 94 in Chicago, 106 in St. Louis, Dallas, 102. So certainly feeling quite uncomfortable in many of those locations. Rainfall all the way through the end of the day on Monday, noticing a little bit of that right here through portions of Iowa, Illinois. A lot of that rain coming today and tonight. Also some wet weather down toward the southern portions of Mississippi, Georgia, and into the panhandle of Florida. And then, of course, the ongoing monsoonal moisture. Typical pattern this time of the year. Rainfall rates can be fairly impressive, 1 to 2 inches per hour, leading to some flash flooding concerns across portions of New Mexico. So here's how that looks. Setting the forecast into motion, you'll notice that afternoon shower and thunderstorm activity, as well as a few storms that'll be firing off across portions of central Illinois and northern Missouri through the afternoon today. But we're on our way up to 96 degrees in St. Louis, of course, feeling closer to 106, though, 87 in Chicago.